Good afternoon, friends. This is another video from Electric Doctors. In front of you can see this is Dell Vostro laptop. The model is 2520 and the motherboard is not working. We have tried to repair the motherboard, but the spare part is out of date. So that's why mainly the breeze section of the motherboard, you can see this is the breeze, this is the PCH section. This PCH section is not working on this motherboard, but we are not able to just procure this bridge or co-processor, whatever you can say. So that's why we just trying to procure a new motherboard. This is the new motherboard, you can see, just keeping left side of this board. This is the old one and this is the new one. Okay, so we just taking out the processor. We have installed the new processor and RAM, and this is the BIOS battery, and this is the opposite side of the board. So in this case, in case of the PCH is not available, the old spare part is not available, and old spare part is just expired or out of date. So that's why we have able to manage a new motherboard. So one of my friends is installing the new motherboard on the laptop case. You can see in front of you, this is the empty case, and he's just right now installing the Wi-Fi card. So now he's installing the fan. He put cooling pad on the top of this PCI chip. Okay, it is necessary, and this is the heatsink compound, which helps to just suck the heat from the processor surface and throwing out with the help of a fan. So now he is fixing the fan